First, unpack the box. Take out the e-bike. Cut off the cable ties and remove the accessories. User guide, foot pedal, multi-functional tool, charger, quick release shaft. Take out the cushion. Insert and adjust to appropriate height. Tighten the screw to the appropriate position. Press the handle to complete installation. Unscrew the 4 screws. Secure the handlebars in the grooves. Install accessories and tighten screws. Don't tighten too much. Adjust the handlebar to normal. Then tighten 4 more screws. Adjust the meter to suitable angle and tighten the screws. Remove the screws. Install the highlight and tighten the screws. Loosen the screw of protective rod and remove the protective rod. You can throw away the protective rod. Take out the quick release lever and front tie. Install the quick release lever to the front wheel. Pay attention to the direction of spring, with the big circle facing outward. Take out front brake protective pad. Install front tires. Tighten the screw to the appropriate position. Press the handle to complete installation. Pay attention to the R and L on the pedals. R is installed on the right side and tightened clockwise. L is installed on the left side and tightened counterclockwise. Align the battery with the battery compartment and press it gently. Here are the power button and the charging port. Press the unlock key once, and then press the anti-theft key twice to hear the REMI. Long press the power button to turn on. Plus and minus signs can adjust the electric power assist gear. Turn the throttle and you are ready to go. Long press the plus and the minus signs to enter the menu interface. Click the power button to go to the next menu option. Press and hold the plus and the minus signs again to exit the menu. You only need to maintain a speed for 5 seconds to enter cruise control. Press the brake lightly to exit. Click the lock button to shut down and lock the e-bike. Click the search bicycle button and an alert will sound so you can find it. Adjusting the riding gear will change the chain position. Press and hold the plus button to turn on headlight. Press and hold the minus key to enter auxiliary car model.